Ayan, hello! Good morning mga kalindog! Ayan, welcome sa aking YouTube channel. And hello, this is me again, Roha Briner, ang inyong alindog. Lipstick lang ang katapat. Well, today vlogs, we're going to compare our breakfast, the Filipino breakfast and the German Frühstück. Okay? So guys, I will show you kung paano and how we eat here in Germany, our Frühstück or our breakfast German. And of course, I show you the Filipino breakfast also. So, you will compare our breakfast to Filipino to German. Ayan, no? So, guys, let's start now. So,
let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
Ayan mga kalindog, ito naman ang breakfast ng German. O, diba? Ito ang normal na breakfast nila. Ayan, meron tayong mga boars. Yan, smoked fish. Meron tayong tomato. At saka gurkle. Ayan. Meron tayong, of course, butter. Mahilig sila sa butter. Ayan, kise. At meron din tayong crab salad. Ayan, mga salami. Ayan, ganyan pagkain nila. At of course, ayan, meron tayong cheese. At meron tayong mga bread. Ayan. Main ano nila is bread. At of course, meron tayong mga, ayan, marmalade. Kasi yan, kinakain nila with butter. At meron tayong honey. Ganyan ang pagkain dito ng breakfast ng German. Diba? Bongga. Ayan. Tapos yung coffee natin. Ayan, meron tayong coffee with our fresh milk from the mama ko. Diba? Ay mga kalindog, ganyan ang pagkain. So, sisimulan na natin kung paano kumain, Charles. Diba? Ayan, ganyan. So, lalagyan natin sila ng butter. Ayan. Ganyan lang. Yan ang pagkain ng German to Filipino breakfast. Ayan guys, ito yung version ng Filipino breakfast, o diba? Ayan, meron tayong Mang Tomas na mauubos na. Wait, ano ko lang. Ayan, Mang Tomas. Tapos meron tayong kafe, rice of course. At meron tayong ito, ano ba tawag dito? Lechon sa kawali. At meron tayong pangsabaw na piseli. At ito na avocado. O diba? Ito ang version ng Filipino breakfast. O diba? Kain tayo mga kalindog. Tapos ang German breakfast is pakita ko naman sa inyo mamaya o bukas. Okay? So, kain na tayo mga kalindog. Ayan mga kalindog, there we go. Thank you all my kalindog. Thank you for watching. I hope did you enjoy my sharing with you our breakfast, the Filipino breakfast and the German breakfast. I hope did you enjoy my new video. I'm sorry. Okay, good appetit and enjoy our meal. Bye. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching.